Central Florida flooding remains a big problem this afternoon,
including several areas in Seminole County where the St. Johns River is above flood stage. WESH 2's Dave McDaniel shows us the impact that it's having 1 week later near Mullet Lake Park.
I was expecting a lot worse.
The water's certainly high in the backside of Dennis Phillips' home, but as he and his wife spiff up what is dry, he reminds us,
Ian, you could fish out of every window, so this is a lot better.
the closer you get to Mullet Lake Park, the higher the water gets, making it tougher and tougher to get through it safely.
There's still some people that can't get to their homes, so they're taking the boats.
He's keeping a close eye on water levels.
It's still coming up, might come up another day or so, but it's eased up a lot unless something else occurs to push that further.
Phillips gave us this photo from Ian. This is from the same vantage point right now. Milton will thankfully fall short of Ian's record flooding, but he's well aware that when the level starts to drop, it will not be quick.
I remember with Ian, it was about a ½ inch a day though, and it took 2 months for people to get in over here. It was about a month for us.
Here are more photos from Ian's impact here. Water surrounded many, many more homes near Mullet Lake Park. The Phillips say they returned home the day after Milton went out to sea, and the water has come up a few inches since. Looking ahead.
But if you're on the river, you have to expect it, and this is what you're going to get.
In Seminole County, Dave McDaniel, WESH 2 News.
Any significant rain event could change the timetable for returning to normal.